We're here at the grand opening of course, the air expert Daikin with the Klein and Justin air conditioning here at Labuin, Santa Cruz, Laguna.
Wish by opening this Daikin Air Expert shop that more people in this area and nearby areas also will be able to experience the best air conditioning. Of course, perfect air. Sabi nga ng tagline namin, Daikin is perfecting the air. And of course, we cannot do it by product alone as well. We also have to do it by your installation and servicing.
Ready po tayo for the ribbon cutting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
When we dedicate something to God, we give it all to Him. We hold nothing back. It is given in full and joyful surrender. It is all for God's pleasure, all for His use, and all for His glory.
To Daikin Philippines, thank you for giving us the opportunity to grow and to compete in the air conditioning industries. We are honored to be recognized as one of your Daikin Air Experts in South Luzon. Thank you very much.